clear shade. We're loving it so bad. And clearly, this was one of the best choice that we've ever made. That's the unisex line, which I use every day. Sobrang danger-free ako. And of course, soft and smooth and hair.
Kita namin eh.
Wow! Yes.
Ako naman, I've been using the Clear for Men. Ayan, and talagang, sabi nga dyan, I super love
You
it.
super love it.
No, knowing what it does to my hair, sobrang galing. No, and it really has the everything that the man's scalp needs. Andyan lahat sa Clear for Men. And syempre, pagka-artista ka, pagka-gaya natin, you always style your hair. So laging may product, laging polluted. So pagka mayroon ka Clear, I'm free of this the plates at tanggalin yung style ng aking buhok.
Oh, yeah, no. So now they've made a big switch, they've decided, and they're loving it.
Clear na clear yan. Sa mga sinasabi nila, of course, only from the shampoo endorsed by the International Academy of Cosmetic Dermatology, Clear. Nandiyan ang shampoo.
Kaya mga kapamilya, it's time to make the big switch to Clear.
That's right, hindi lang yan isa pa sa mga reasons kung bakit love talaga namin ang Clear. Dahil super nag-enjoy kami sa shoot ng commercial for Clear.
Yeah, sobrang namin naghihirapan kaya proud na proud kami dito.
So I guess it's now time to see, clearly, a different side to John Lloyd and Bea. Guys, let's all watch this.
Oops.
Christian spot, tapos ng BTR. Eric spot, then BTR.